If you have been thinking about building for months and you still haven't started positioning yourself, that's not strategy. It's hesitation driven by fear. Not fear of building, fear of committing. And that is where most people freeze. Because once you commit, things start moving, and movement feels risky. You tell yourself you're waiting for better timing, better rates, more certainty, more clarity. And that sounds responsible, but certainty does not come before movement. It comes after positioning. That's the part most people miss. Fear keeps you gathering information. Structure is what actually makes you move. And this is the part that people don't want to hear. You don't need more information. You need a decision, because information feels productive, but decisions change timelines. Here's what I see every single week: people who absolutely have the ability to build. They have income, they have land in mind, they say they're serious, and then they stay in research mode for another 6 months, year, maybe even longer. Not because they can't build, because fear feels safer than commitment. And fear, oh, it is subtle. It doesn't scream at you. It sounds cautious. It sounds measured. It sounds like, we just want to be sure. But the clients who move this year don't eliminate fear. They move forward with structure anyway. And that is the difference. Building does not stall during construction. It stalls before it ever begins. It stalls when positioning gets delayed, when alignment gets skipped, when people chase comfort instead of clarity. That is where momentum absolutely dies. Real projects don't start with excitement. They start with structure, positioning, alignment, feasibility. Fear tries to reverse that order. It wants excitement first, land first, Pinterest first, fancy architectural plan videos first. And that is how timelines slip. While you're circling and circling, the window is not standing still. Builder schedules fill up, land shifts, cost increase. You don't notice it at first until you do. If you are positioning now, a holiday move-in this year, totally realistic. If you wait until summer, you are compressing that timeline. That is not a market issue. That is a commitment issue. If fear has been keeping you in research mode, it's human. It's totally understandable. But if you're serious about building this year, it's time to move from fear to structure. The landing page link below is where real projects begin. Not a guess, not a vibe, structure. If you are ready, click the link below.